Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to put two videos side by side in Capcut. So if you want to show two videos side by side in Capcut, then let me show you how to do this. So here, first we're going to go ahead and open up the App Store or Play Store. Here, search for Capcut and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, go ahead and tap on New Project. And we're going to go ahead and choose a video. So for example, this one here, we'll add it. Now here, if I want a video at the top left and at the top right playing at the same time, at the bottom here we'll find something called Overlay. Tap on this and we're going to go ahead and tap on Add Overlay. Now we're going to go ahead and choose another video which we want to play. So let's go ahead and choose this video, Add. Now we can go ahead and resize this. So for example, we'll place this video at the top left. Now let's just say I want to resize the background video, so we'll select that in the timeline. Then we'll go ahead and zoom out using our finger. We'll go ahead and place it at the bottom right here. So now when we play this video, you'll see both of these videos playing at the same time. If you want, you can even add another video, so we can go ahead and choose Add Overlay, and we can go ahead and bring another video. So for example, this one here, we'll tap on Add. We'll go ahead and resize this and we'll go ahead and place it to the top right. Now we have three videos playing in one go. And like this, you can go ahead and add your fourth video here. So there you go guys. There's how to put two videos side by side in Capcut.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.